All right, I've had a few emails that you guys are not quite getting the box and whisker plot. So, came into my daughter's room who has whiteboards on her walls, and we're going to do a couple here. This is on your homework. This is the first one. So the first thing you have to do is you put this in order least to greatest. So we have 78, we have, 85, 88, 88, 89, 90, and 92. And count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we got that. We need the 5-point summary. We need the lower extreme, which is also called the minimum. We need the upper extreme, which is also called the maximum. We need the middle or the median. We need quartile 1, which is also called the lower quartile, and quartile 3, which is also called the upper quartile. So the lower extreme and the min is easy. It's just your smallest one, 78. Upper or max is 92, your biggest one. The median, you guys should know how to do. The median is here. Now to find quartile 1 and quartile 3, we're just finding the median of the lower half and the median of the upper half. So you're going to draw a bow tie. And you're going to find the median of the lower half. Don't include this median. So the median of my lower half would be 85. So quartile 1 is 85. The upper quartile would be 90. So this is my 5-point summary. So this is what you plot. You don't plot any of this stuff. What you plot is this. So then you're going to do a number line. Oh, wow, that's a funky number line. So we're going to go from 78 to 92. So let's do 76, 78, 80, 82, 84, 86, 88, 90. Oh gosh. 92, 94. So we have 5 points. Hold up. No, Rascal, Macy.
It's fine, we're fine.
So now you put these 5 points on the number line. So 78, 92, 88, 85 goes between 84 and 86, and 90. Now my median is what we're going to box in. So my median is here. So my box is made of my quartiles, and my whiskers go to my extremes. So this is my box and whisker plot. Now think about the word quartile. This is quartile 1, quartile 3. So think about a dollar bill. We have 4 quarters in there. Here is quartile 1. 25% of the dollar is there. 25% of the dollar is here. 25% of the dollar is here. And 25% of the dollar is here. So here to here is 50% because there's 2 of them. So from 1 whisker to quartile 1 will be 25% of my data falls here. 25 of my data points falls here. 25% of my data point falls here. And 25% falls here. Hold on, let me get my dogs out. Oh my God. Guys, come on, stop, get out. Get out, we're learning box and whisker plots. Get out, get out. Rascal, get out. Get out. Oh, gosh. And then 25% is here. So 25% of my data points is going to fall between min and quartile 1. 25% of my data points are going to fall between quartile 1 and the median. 25% between the median and quartile 3, and 25% here. But notice this data has a bigger range, so it's more spread out, it's wider. But this whisker has the same number of data points, but they're closer together. Does that make sense? Hope so. One more thing. There's something else I was going to tell you. Hold up. Oh, interquartile range. Duh. Interquartile range. So your actual range is your highest minus your smallest, right? Remember that? Highest minus your smallest. Well, your interquartile range is going to be quartile 3 minus quartile 1. So quartile 3 is 85. Quartile 1, whoops, my bad. Quartile 3 is 90. Quartile 1 is 85. So my interquartile range is 5. You can also see it on here. It's at 90 and 85. So the only difference with your next question is that it's going to have an even number. So you're going to have to find the middle of the two numbers, circle it, and then find the median of the lower and the upper. Email me if you guys have any questions, and I will try to do more videos to help you out. Bye.